Good Friday, everyone, and happy 4th of July. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Hopefully, you've got the day off from work. If not, thank you for doing that and helping things stay running. But my goodness, it is going to be a beautiful 4th of July. That is for sure. Today's USA mortgage level of concern, we remain level 0. No weather worries anticipated. Not looking for any severe thunderstorms. Not looking for anything incredibly hot today. It's going to be warm, that is for sure, but nothing that we shouldn't expect this time of the year. And that's what our Clearview Closet and Blind 5-day forecast shows us. Very typical summertime forecast for the Cumberland Plateau. Your 4th of July Friday, highs near 90 this afternoon, partly to mostly sunny. And still, we got that northeast breeze at 5 to 10-ish miles per hour. And so that's still keeping humidity levels on the down low. So we're not worried too much about humidity and heat indices and all that stuff today. Now, this weekend, you notice the wind switch from the south. As you see, they're south at 5 miles per hour each day. And so that starts bringing in a return flow from the Gulf of Mexico. So we start getting a little bit more humid, which means we have to introduce at least the slight risk, even the slightest risk, for an afternoon or evening shower or thunderstorm. So I've got those rain chances at 20% both Saturday and Sunday. That is not something to cancel an outdoor plan over. That is just something I know a lot of folks are out and about doing stuff this weekend. Just keep in mind that the rain chance is not absolutely 0. So if you get one of those storms, they can be rather intense, but they're going to be extremely isolated. Now, Monday, we jump it up to about a 30% chance. I had it 50% yesterday. Now I'm dropping it down to 30. That is trending drier. So a chance for showers and thunderstorms mainly in the afternoon and evening. And then we have a 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. So it still looks like rain chances are going to tick up early next week. Just might be putting that off till maybe closer to Tuesday night-ish. And that brings our high temperatures down by then into the mid to upper 80s. Looking at the tropics, so we're still watching this area of disturbed weather off the southeast coast. It's beginning to run out of time, though. It's going to have to do some development pretty quickly if it's going to do anything. That chance of development is 60%. Still, yeah, a lot of disturbed weather around in there, so it's kind of disrupting some beach plans anyway. But if you have travel plans to the coast of Georgia or the Carolinas over the next few days, you might want to pay attention to this. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Travel, 1838, the Huskar Pit disaster. 26 children drowned trying to escape flooding in the Stilkstone Colliery in England. Leads to the 1842 Mines Act, which bans women and children from working underground. What a terrible situation there. 1892, Western Samoa changes the international date line so that year there were 367 days in this country, with 2 occurrences of Monday and July the 4th. What a weird situation. In 1930, a chilly low temp of 45 degrees was recorded at the UT Experiment Station near Crossville. Dang, that is chilly for this time of the year. You folks have a wonderful 4th of July. Keep looking up. If you're at the troop rally this morning on the courthouse lawn in downtown Crossville, I'll be going on sometime between 10 and 10:15 to talk a little bit more about what we do at Creative Compassion for our veterans. So if you're out and about, come over and shake my hand, say hi, and we'll see you out there. Otherwise, you folks have a wonderful 4th of July. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.